Now we come to the differential diagnosis of fibroid. Differential diagnosis of fibroid, the most important instrument in differentiating fibroid is USG, which comes under the heading of investigation. But that we'll do later on. But how you will differentiate fibroid from other conditions? The first important differential diagnosis is pregnancy. Got it? So here the breast examination, the urine pregnancy test, history, the sign and symptoms, they differ. So you differentiate it from first pregnancy. Second differential diagnosis will be hematometra. Because of cervical stenosis, many times there is hematometra. But again, USG will be very instrumental in helping you to differentiate it. You have to differentiate fibroid, the sign and symptoms of fibroid, from adenomyosis also. Adenomyosis is again thickening of the walls of the uterus. But on examination, adenomyosis is always very painful. Fibroids are not so painful. You have a support of again USG, so you can again differentiate. You differentiate it from endometriosis also. Other differential diagnoses are bicornuate uterus, chocolate cyst, ectopic pregnancy, chronic pelvic inflammatory disease, that is PID, benign ovarian tumor, malignant ovarian tumors, endometrial carcinoma, myomatous polyp, chronic inversion of the uterus, and pelvic kidney. Again, the most important thing which I told you, investigation will be very supportive in differentiating all the other diagnoses of fibroid. But the major diagnosis, as I told you, the breast examination will tell you whether the pregnancy, the urine pregnancy test will help you in differentiating it. The USG will help you in differentiating it. I am repeating. In short, the differential diagnosis includes pregnancy, hematometra, adenomyosis, bicornuate uterus, endometriosis, chocolate cyst, ectopic pregnancy, chronic PID, benign ovarian tumor, malignant ovarian tumor, endometrial carcinoma, myomatous polyp, chronic inversion of the uterus, and pelvic kidney. We further come to investigations. What are the investigations that will help you to diagnose a patient of fibroid? First of all, you go for blood test. Hemoglobin estimation will be supportive to conclude the pallorness which you have observed in the patient. So, first HB estimation will be supportive. Next, you do ultrasonography, which will help you in investigation. USG is second investigation which will help you. HSG, that is hysterosalpingography, that is going to help you. Hysteroscopy, laparoscopy, X-ray, CT scan, and IVP. These are the major investigations that helps us to come to a conclusion of fibroid. The treatment of fibroid consists mainly of iron therapy, myomectomy, and hysterectomy. Iron therapy is treating the patient with iron for the anemia which has precipitated because of heavy and profuse periods as well as recurrent periods. Myomectomy matlab fibroid. You remove only a part of the fibroid. You don't remove the whole uterus. Myomectomy, only the myoma or only the fibroid is removed. So this is known as myomectomy. Only the fibroid is removed, and this is for those patients who want to retain their uterus. Sometimes it could be an infertile couple. It could be only a single child couple. Where the female wants to retain her own uterus, only myomectomy is done. That means only the fibroid is removed. Finally, the last answer is hysterectomy. Treatment. Hysterectomy, the entire uterus having single fibroid, multiple fibroid, which the patient is complaining of all the symptoms for, you remove the whole uterus. So the treatment part consists of iron therapy, myomectomy, and hysterectomy. So here we have completed the entire topic of fibroid. We have completed the entire topic of fibroid. I request you to follow the following link and understand it further. My next lecture will tell you about the therapeutics of fibroid. We are going to discuss what are the group of drugs that come under the treatment for fibroid. For this, as I always tell you, keep into mind the sign and symptoms, and we can take all of them as the entry point for fibroid. Thank you so much. Take care and try to understand it.